Do you sometimes have a client who wants something different, wants to delve into maybe stronger color, but they're not ready for a full commitment yet? Maybe this is a tutorial for them. Hi everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm so glad to be here again today. My name is Mili and this is my beautiful model Tran. And today we're gonna do something that I have seen a lot of iterations online I wanna share with you, which is color blocking. I will be sectioning a smaller piece around all of Tran's hairline that will go from the front to the back, and I'm going to color it in a peekaboo style. That's gonna be my fashion lights. Then I'm gonna go in with the IGORA Royale, a classic, and I'm gonna work all of Tran's roots just to ever so slightly shift her base. And for that, I will be using only 10 volumes. And last but not least, we're also gonna do a dual application and retouch this color, change the tonal direction, make it a little bit more red instead of purple. So then we're gonna have a harmony of all different tones and different intensities. So we have, as you can see, a bit of hair for this peekaboo, but it's not a lot. So the rest of the hair on the top is the one that is going to go in our red direction, and this is going in our orange direction. I'm going to first start with the application of my fashion lights. You really need to saturate the hair with any product, that goes without saying, but especially when you're really trying to lift, you really need the full saturation. So I'm taking smaller sections from the section that I'm going to use fashion lights on, and I'm going to really saturate the hair and paint it. I'm just gonna start applying most of the product in my middle section. I'm going to paint all the way down, and then I'm going to diffuse as I go closer to the scalp or root area. All right guys, so foil is on, and I'm just gonna really make sure I saturate the section even further. I would say do not be afraid here to really saturate the hair. And now, as we move up closer to the scalp, I'm going to flick my brush, and instead of working with it horizontally, I'm gonna work with it vertically so that I don't create a harsh line on Tran's hair. As you go here, you can do horizontal. When you work your way towards the root, you go vertical, just to make sure everything is blended. If we look at the front here, you can see there's a little bit of that fringe that was also colored with the fashion lights. So now I'm gonna start with my root application. I'm gonna start on the top so I can let fashion lights process. I do not like when you have a harsh demarcation line as the hair grows. So in order to avoid that and create a softer shadow, I'm going in with 10 volume. That way, we'll only deposit some of the color, shift a little bit of the natural base, but we won't have what we call hot roots. I'm gonna say with fashion lights, I will be hitting the 45-minute development time, but very likely for my roots, I will hit a 35-minute development time in total. But because IGORA Royale is also advised to have a development time between 30 to 45 minutes, I know that I will still be getting a great result. And this is how I can assure that everything is going to act the way it's supposed to. I'm going to start my application of IGORA Vibrance 25 minutes before the rest of the development time is over, 5 minutes for application and 20 minutes for development time. Now, the formulation for the IGORA Vibrance is slightly different because we don't necessarily have a 6-88, but we do have a 5-88 and a 7-88. So I'm going to combine equal parts, and I'm going to essentially create a 6-88. I'm gonna grab a section, and I'm gonna make sure to go from top to bottom, really saturating the hair. Once you have that, you can use your hand to kind of make sure to saturate the hair with all the product. And here's the little trick. You're gonna grab a comb and you're going to comb the two together. That way you create a seamless blend from the root into the length. Make sure the hair is fully saturated. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another application on this strand one more time, comb it again, and I'm going to repeat the process on all of Tran's top section. All right, so I'm back and I finished my Vibrance application, so that means I have another 20 minutes development time still to go. I'm going to rinse Tran out very carefully. This is a process where you might need help from an assistant, or at least to clip the hair up, to rinse the sections one by one. And then I'm gonna come back to you to show you the final result and recap on everything we did on Tran's hair. All right guys, we're back with Tran and her final result, and I'm actually so happy with it because we achieved everything in just one development time. As you can see, we gave her some stronger, more contrasting copper tones around the face and a little bit at the bottom, so like in a little peekaboo section. For this we used Fashion Lights L77, and then we went in all of her roots with 6-88 IGORA Royale with 10 volume, 3%, just to give her a little bit of a softer root that she can grow out without worrying about so many demarcation lines. And finally, we glossed everything outside of our little Fashion Lights perimeter with 5-88 and 7-88, and we used 13 vol, 4% to kick it up a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. How do you feel?
Yeah, I really like my new hair.
Cool. Leave us a comment if you love Fashion Lights as much as we do, and we'll see you on the next one.